Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to assign an expense account to a specific product or service in Invent ERP. Let's get started. From the home page, head to Quick Links. Select New Product. This will take you to the product and service creation page. Start by filling in the product or service details. Then scroll down to the accounting section. Under Expense Account, select the account you would like to assign to this product or service. Once everything looks correct, click Create to save it. Now, let's see how this is reflected in a transaction. Head back to Quick Links. Select New Bill. This will take you to the vendor bill page. Start by entering the vendor bill information. Scroll down to the vendor bill items section and click Add Line. Select the product or service you created, and you'll immediately see the assigned expense account populated automatically. If everything looks good, click Create. And that's it, you now know how to assign an expense account to a specific product or service in Invent ERP. Thank you for watching.